Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is HowFast. We had an exciting turn of events in the HowFast trivia for the gear last week. We'll talk more about that at the end of the video. Today though, we're going to work on the center console or trans-tunnel area where the shifter is going to mount in Dodgey today. So we got plenty of aluminum. We're going to cut out a template out of cardboard. We're going to cut it out of aluminum and we're going to rivet it in place, and that should solve that issue. Hopefully that'll be something sturdy enough to mount the shifter to. And if it needs to have some sort of steel support or something underneath, I'll get under there and do that. So let's get right into that right now.
That's what I'm thinking. Cut out of aluminum.
All of that mess to make this one piece right here. So let's see how it fits. Let's hope it fits as well as the cardboard template did. Right there. There it is. What do you guys think of that? Oh, I'm happy. I'm honestly happy with how that turned out. I think it's nice. It's sturdy. Once I rivet this in, it is going to be stout. It's going to be tight in there. But there are a couple things I have to do first. There are a couple of little button clips that are along this side. I want to drill holes for them so that we can still clip this guard, this leg guard back in here. I want to reuse that. So I'm going to get in there and mark out where those are. We're going to drill those out. And then we start figuring out where we're going to put the rivets for this thing. Well, that's as far as we're going to get today, guys. A couple more rivets left to be put in there, and then I can really assemble that whole other side of the trans tunnel, which is back here. We got those pieces. Those go on the other side and close it in like this side. But I've always kind of left those off because it's really good access for when we go to slip the engine and transmission in. It's really nice and easy access to get in there. So I'm kind of hesitant to bolt it up right now. I don't really need to, so it might just sit there open like that for a little bit. But anyway, that's what we got done for today. So as I had mentioned earlier, we had a winner in the HowFast trivia for the HowFast Gear pack. And it was Craig. He answered last after everyone else, and he answered correctly. The question was, which country has the highest rate of car ownership? Germany, Luxembourg, USA, or Japan? And the correct answer was B, Luxembourg. A lot of people would think the most number of citizens would have the highest rate of car ownership, but Luxembourg is special next to all of those other countries in that it is small and very few of the citizens actually live in Luxembourg. So a lot of people live outside the country and they come in. I should say, from what I've read, it's a very wealthy country as well. There's not many people who live there. The people who do live there own cars, and many of them, I assume. So Craig was correct, and he's won the HowFast Gear pack. So congratulations, Craig, and I'll be in touch. I have to show you guys what Craig's going to be getting. I've been keeping a secret that we have a new design for the HowFast shirts, and I've got in contact with a local Canadian artist, someone who I saw some of his work and I thought I really liked that, and I spoke to him. So I'm going to tell you guys more about that in the upcoming episodes, and I'll show you guys the shirts and the new design that Craig's going to be getting for his HowFast swag pack. So now the question has to be asked. Do we continue with the trivia? Do you guys enjoy the trivia? I mean, it seems like you do. So do I continue with the trivia? Not for any, HowFast swag, maybe not now, but maybe some more later on. When we get the new shirts in and stuff like that, maybe we could do trivia for a prize again. But what do you guys think? Trivia, continue the trivia or not? Why don't you leave a comment down below? I decided to throw this episode in before we pull Hilde in because this work could be done, and I know you guys like to see the race car content on top of the maintenance stuff. So I decided to do a little extra work, get this done so that you guys had something to look at before we go diving into Hilde, which is likely going to be a bear, and hopefully it goes well. So I want to remind you guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload. And we don't miss any of the episodes. And you guys can keep up with the build and the kids stuff and the car events and the interviews, which we're going to talk about in the upcoming weeks. If you want to get in touch with me, you can get me at howfast10@gmail.com, or you can check out some of the merch and videos, howfast.ca. I'll catch up with you guys next time. Find out how fast we can make this car go.